Hello everyone, PJ here on Pocket Tech. Last video we have seen how the battery usage was on OnePlus 8 Pro. If you haven't seen the video, link in the description below. In this video, let's see the charging speed test on OnePlus 8 Pro. So, let's get started. As you can see here, my 8 Pro has been shutting down. So, now let's charge it and see how much time it will take to get 100% charge. According to OnePlus, 8 Pro is fast charge compatible and it can charge from 0% to 50% in 30 minutes. Let's see either it's true or not. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with 30 watt charger in the box. As we know, OnePlus 8 Pro packs with 4510 mAh battery, and this phone delivered impressive endurance in the battery test, which involved continuous surfing on 150 nits screen brightness. Now let's plug the charger and set the stopwatch and see how much time it will take to get full battery charge. I am not going to turn it on, I am just leaving as is and see what happens. Let's go. Let's check for every 5 minutes and see where the battery level is at. If you see here, for the first 5 minutes of charging, the battery is at 12%, which is amazing. Wow! The phone temperature is also at normal level. I was just curious to know, does the fast charge affects the phone temperature or not? For 10 minutes, the phone battery is at 23%. Going good. It would be so helpful with the fast charging because when we are on a hurry to go somewhere and if there is no charge on your mobile, then you can quickly charge it. For 20 minutes, the battery level is at 45%. Really? Wow! There is also a misconception stating that if you quick charge your mobile, the battery will drain quick. But it is not true. It's completely a myth. Nothing will happen like that. For 30 minutes, the battery level is at 65%. What the? Really? I can't believe it. But according to OnePlus 8 Pro, it takes 30 minutes to get 50% charge. But for us, we are at 65%. Miracle happens sometimes, right? In OnePlus 8 Pro, we even have an option that it will read our habits, like at what time we generally charge our mobile and what time we will unplug the mobile and start using. So based on that, it will help to maintain the battery life, and this even helps to have a good battery health. For 40 minutes, the battery level is at 83%. Wow! Seriously? We already know that for the first time in the history of OnePlus, they have launched the mobiles which are wireless charge and reverse charging compatible. They even have a quick wireless chargers which even gives the best results like the wired chargers. Unfortunately, I couldn't get hold of the wireless chargers. They are selling very fast. For 50 minutes, the battery level is at 93%. So far, so good. In the Warp wireless chargers, there is an inbuilt fan which helps to keep the phone temperatures down. It is the best innovation. OnePlus 8 Pro is even reverse wireless charge compatible, but it is just 5-watt reverse charge. You can charge any devices like AirPods, Samsung Buds, or you can even charge any mobiles, but they will take lots and lots of time because it is just 5-watt charge compatible. But trust me, it will be so helpful during the emergencies. By 1 hour 13 minutes, it's 100% charged. No words to say. It's amazing to charge a phone to 100% in around 1 hour 15 minutes. Let's conclude. OnePlus 8 Pro has an amazing capacity for quick charge. You have already seen that we can charge to 100% in 1 hour 13 minutes. The battery drain completely depends on your usage. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Pocket Tech and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Stay home, stay safe.